Would you like to make sure you're getting the best value out of paid advertising? If you spend money on pay-per-click ads or any kind of display ads or any advertising in general really, I've got a message for you based on a real-life example. Now, I go onto LinkedIn every single day, as I'm sure many people do, and increasingly do I see advertising. And the other day I saw an ad for an app that was clearly aimed at people in the medical profession. Now, I'm not in the medical profession. I've never been in the medical profession. There's nothing on my LinkedIn profile that says I've been in the medical profession, and yet they're advertising to me. And this to me is wasted money, because I took a look at this thing, I clicked on the ad, and they would have spent, and that would have cost them some money. The point I'm trying to make here is that when you are spending money on advertising, you need to make sure you are targeting your audience as closely and as accurately as you possibly can. This company were clearly doing a broadcast marketing method, which was not going to be cost effective. It was aimed at pretty much just anybody, probably living in certain areas or of a certain age group. They weren't targeting, or as best I could tell, they weren't targeting people by their jobs, their work history. They were just targeting anybody, pretty much anybody with a pulse. Now, the problem is their response rates are going to be low. They'll have wasted a ton of money putting it in front of people who, quite frankly, are never ever going to be interested in this product. Don't do this. If you're advertising to a certain group of people, make sure that you are targeting just them. Yes, you need to start with working out who they are, but if you're going to target people who aren't in your target audience, then you're going to waste a heck of a lot of money. Your advertising will be expensive because it won't be terribly targeted, and not only that, your response rates will be really, really poor. And advertising platforms do tend to penalise advertisers who do poor targeting. So this app company, I'm sure it's a great app, it's not applicable to me. They're wasting their money putting it in front of me. Don't make this same mistake. Make sure you're targeting your audience properly, particularly online. It's so easy to just chuck money away, and they are doing this left, right and centre by advertising to just anybody.